have a short name like X and Y, okay? Or, for example, more descriptive names, age, or something like, I don't know, Naim or work, Python, something, okay? But a variable name must start with a letter or the underscore character. It should start with underscore, like this, or like this, okay? A variable name cannot start with a number, cannot start with like this, cannot start. You see, even Python make it in another color, okay? Because it cannot. Can be like this, okay? But not like this, okay? Also, a variable name can contain alphanumeric characters and underscores from A to Z or from 0 to 9 and underscore. Other things, no. Cannot take your name like this. M like this, no. Can be. Okay. Variable names are case sensitive and you should focus on this. Keep this in mind always. So we can start by like this, as I said. We can start like this. And also you should keep in mind that variables are case sensitive. Okay, variables are case sensitive. And also variable names cannot be any of the Python keywords. Cannot be any of the Python keywords. I will give you example. So, for example, to my var equal Naim. This is not okay in Python. Okay, this is not okay. You see, and if for you see not here because it's a keyword. For example, I will start my variable by not okay equal, I don't know, something here. Also, this is not illegal in Python. Okay. What else? Quickly. I can for also we can, for example, do like this. My variable name. This is can be, or it can be my variable name. When you